The soft exoskeleton is mainly consisted of two sections. This is the electronic section and this is the pneumatic section. The electronic section starts with the myaware EMG sensors which are attached to a sleeve which is worn on the forearm. The data are sent to the Arduino Mega. Arduino Mega has a Bluetooth module HC06 which can be connected to a computer or to a mobile phone. The computer then shows the sensory data on the MATLAB GUI, and the mobile phone it can be used to control the system without the need for the sensors. The Arduino is powered by a 9-volt battery. It is also attached to the relay modules. The relay modules, there are 10 of them, which are further attached to the solenoid valves. These relay modules are powered by a 12-volt battery pack. This summarizes the electronic section. The pneumatic section starts with a pressure tank. The pressure tank is a pinball pressure tank which is rated at 4,500 psi. However, it is filled only up to 3,000 psi for safety purposes. The output from the pressure tank goes into the first stage. The first stage is a scuba diving first stage regulator, which is rated at 3,500 psi. The output from the low pressure port of the first stage is 150 psi, which goes and comes to the shoulder, through the shoulder, into the second stage. The second stage, as you can see, is relatively smaller than the first stage. It has an adjustable knob, which means that the user can control the actuation speed manually. The output from the second stage is 50 psi. The output goes into the solenoid valves. The solenoid valves, there are 10 of them. Each one of them is controlled by the relay. In pair, they can control, as you can see here, in pair they can control the fingers. The output of the solenoid valves goes into the pneumatic actuators on the glove. The pneumatic section is fitted inside this bigger compartment. This is the pressure tank attached here. This is the first stage here. The solenoid valves are fitted inside here. The electronics, such as the relay, Arduino, and a battery pack, are all fitted here. This is the relay, that is the Arduino, and the battery. The total weight of the system is 4.5 kg. There are 5 EMG sensors used in total for the thumb, for the index finger, for the middle finger, for the ring finger, and for the pinky finger. This is the GUI on MATLAB. As I'm pressing the plot button here, it takes a while to receive the signal through Bluetooth.